Hi, today we can talk about how to create the pie chart in Tableau. So for creating this chart, I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So before creating this chart, let's first make one scenario. So I just want to show the profit of each region in the form of pie chart. So for creating this chart, I'll just take the region dimension and I'll drop it onto the column shell. And then I'll take the profit and I'll drop it onto the row shell. So here you can see our bar chart is ready. So for creating the pie chart, you just have to click on here on show me button and select pie chart. So after clicking on pie chart, as you can see, our pie chart is ready. So for making it bigger, you just have to click on entire view option. So after clicking here, clicking on this drop down, select entire view. So here you can see our pie chart is ready, and there are four different types of color which represent the four different types of region. So here we can see the west region, the central region, east region, and the south region. So for showing little more information, we can just uh, drop the region field onto the label, and we can also drop the profit field onto the label. So here you can see now the name of each of the field and the profit of each of the region is now showing separately. So here we can create the pie chart in Tableau. And here's one more thing. If you want to shift this text, here you can see the best and the sales, the profit of this region showing outside the pie chart. If you want to if you want to represent this particular label in between your chart, so you can just click here. After clicking here, hold your left key and drag and drop it in between or anywhere on the chart. So you can see here, we can shift this particular label. You just have to click here and hold your left key and drop it, drag it and drop it anywhere. So here you can shift your labels. So this is how we can create the pie chart in Tableau. Thank you.